Okay guys, I am back to show you my snowflakes. Like I said, I didn't have the medium ones, but that's okay. We could still do it with these. Okay. So, you do this. And you take this apart. I just saved one. And they're kind of sneaky sometimes. Little brats. And then they pinch you. And then you take that off. And by the way, what am I going to do with all these? If anybody has any ideas, I have no idea. I was kind of thinking maybe you could put paper on it, like a flag, and then like feed that through something. I don't know. Okay, so there's a lot of those. So then you have this. And then what you want to do is put them back to back. Doesn't it look like a head and then like legs and a body? And then I use the wood glue. You don't want too much. Believe me, I tried hot glue and there was this big ugly gap and I didn't like the way it looked. Excuse me. I didn't like the way it looked. And you really want to make sure they're pretty lined up, you know. Okay, so you need 8. And I don't use the hot glue for that, for what I'm going to show you. Or, excuse me, I do. So you need 8. Okay, see these little, right here, where these meet? And I always do this on a flat surface. The first time I didn't, I learned, see, they're not wobbly. My other ones were wobbly. I did not do it on a flat surface. So you just want a little, get away. Okay, you just want a little. And then, yeah, you can see, good. Okay, then you'll take another. Do it on that little tiny ledge and then do it again. So they're all even. See that? So they're all even and it's not gonna wobble too much. And then when I do the last one, I do it on both sides. It's like a puzzle. So that's the first. And then, well, he's not doing too well. Sorry about that. Okay, so then you'll do 4 more. So then on the outside, you do like that. And then you just repeat. It's so easy. And they look so cute. I'm gonna make so many for my friends, and I'm definitely making some for my Etsy because these are so cute. Oh, sorry guys. So do it on both. It's kind of like a puzzle. Oh my gosh. And then 1 more. So 8. See, that's kind of wonky, but they're different. Because they're special, because I made them. If you see glue, just kind of, see, they're kind of wonky, but look at that. Wasn't that easy? I wanted the smaller ones. I have smaller ones. This is my box. Oh my gosh, of course. Of course. I had like one, oh, here we go. Okay, so see if I did, let me show you again. Okay, do the one little tiny ledge, and the other tiny ledge, and then we'll do another tiny ledge with another tiny ledge. If you were smart, you could use your thing as a guide, but ain't nobody got time for that, right? This one's kinda, see how that's kinda eh. So we'll use that later if we need him. But what I was gonna show you, why I like the medium ones, because then, you know what I mean? You could do like that. See, I really like the way that one looks. I know I have another one. But anyway, so then you could do it like that. I like that. But yeah, so you just stick it in there. Isn't that fun? It's so easy. So I'll do this one. Oh, I don't have any more, so I'll have to glue some more, but I did my white ones last night. I haven't put my gems on them, but I used some Martha Stewart heart glitter. I haven't done the back yet, but isn't that pretty? And some reason there was orange in that. I didn't get it. So I love it. And then I did a couple yellow. I just need to get that painted because I thought he would look so pretty. See, I gotta do that. That's where I was, excuse me, holding it. I thought he would look so pretty with those. And the white would look pretty with these. Anyway, that's how you guys do it. Let me know if you have any questions. And like I said, you can use the super tiny ones, but they were a pain to take apart. But yeah. So there it is. I hope that helps. I hope you guys make some. Thanks for watching. Bye.